How to see who you recently unfollowed on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to export your Instagram data and find your unfollow history on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Account Center from the list of options. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Your Information and Permissions. Following this, tap on Export Your Information from the list. Once done, tap on Create Export and choose Export to Device as your export destination. From here, tap on Customize Information to select only the data you need. At this stage, tap Clear All to deselect everything, then scroll down and select only followers and following before tapping Save. After this, choose your preferred date range, make sure your Gmail is correctly added, and tap Export to begin the process. Once completed, enter your Instagram password when prompted to confirm and submit the request. Instagram will process your request and send you an email notification once your data is ready. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Once you receive the email, tap Download, open your Files app, and locate the downloaded file. Tap on it to unzip it. Then open the unzipped folder and go to Connections, then Followers and Following. Finally, tap on the Recently Unfollowed Followers folder to see all the usernames and the exact dates you unfollowed them. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you track who you recently unfollowed, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.